what's up guys, it's me again. We're gonna play Bud. Okay, so my friend left. Let's go back up. I asked God how to get the TNT walking just now. So if you guys, I'm gonna give you guys a tool. Pick up this. It's an egg. You guys should take it. Oh gosh. Oh no. That idiot. You can't get me. He's trying to get me, guys. I don't want that to happen. That's where the TNT went and that big yellow dude. You get expert here by accident. No, it can't end like this. No. It's very laggy. No, it's Anta. Anta, where are you? Oh no. Got it. No, 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 no. You guys, that was a close one, right? Let's go into. Oh, you can. Did you guys know that you could get in here? Let's see if I can change his hair blue. I don't want it to be yellow. Come on. Nope, doesn't work, guys. Let's put this down in a safe place. My home. Let's shut the door. My TNT. Oh no, my. This is how you get the TNT walking. We can defeat him. We can defeat the almighty beast. He's the only one who could do it. You do this. Let it go. Just explode on him. Guys, I better walk. Oh my god! Did you defeat him? I defeated him, guys! Yeah! Oh no, this guy's kidnapping me. But I'm not. Come on, guys, let's do this. I'll let you see that's the end of the video. See you guys later. Bye!